Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? So yesterday I threw in my short throw headers, or my shortcut headers. BBK ones, and they're on my Flowmaster exhaust, dual exhaust. We're gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna show you some footage of us putting them in, us bullshitting around. Yeah, basically having a few beers with my bros, and you get to see my two buddies. Then we go down to the shop, down in our local town, our Caribou Spring shop. We go down there, check it out, buy the tools. All in all, it's a pretty good video. Check it out. Tell me what you guys think. Peace. The two wizards about to get into it, or what? Honing their fucking wizardly skills?
It'd be easier going behind that tire, dude. Huh? It'd be easier going behind that tire.
I seen fucking there was long type of headers this one guy got for his, but I couldn't find them online. So I only got the short ones.
Long tube headers?
Yeah.
Those ones you would have to,
like weld in?
Yeah, you'd have to get different flanges for it.
That's probably why you couldn't find them online.
Yeah, these ones you can drop them in. These got for 11/16? 11/16? It's not 5/8. Wait. Yeah, there's something. I got you the video how it sounds.
Oh yeah, that's a good point too. Here, start it. I'm gonna do that right now too. Headers are going in, boys. Boom. Let's get a good fucking video of this. It'll sound nice on my camera too. Is it recording right now?
Nope, you're gonna have to press it.
Okay. We are double recording this bitch. Here goes. Fuck yeah, that sounds dope, man. Can't wait to see him. Can't wait to hear him.
Eat that dog. Done the fades for now.
So, what did
I'll go ahead then.
Did it end up going behind it?
Just checking it out now.
BBK, you kind of fucked us. I'll be telling you about that in the review.
Can I be in your video?
No, but
No, but
no, but you can go sit over there.
An empty chair that needs be like. Hey!
Oh! I'm in the motherfucker.
Falling, we ain't falling for the sneak. Hear a lot of talking, but they jogging for the reach. Never switch up on the low, never hit you in your face. Never hit you in your face.
You want the torch with this?
See, you could have had this fucking.
They pump us up. They pump us up. Get them numbers up now. Why they wanna see me in the dirt, wanna see me fail. Once they hit the work, we gon' see the sales. Watch me change like chameleon. Pump the brake, y'all fucking fake, don't wanna see me win.
I be the general with the flow. It used to be minimal with the dough. They be jealous subliminal when they all on my genitals when I flip it and hella rapping the mo. Now they know when I'm really ready to blow. And I look at the women having the glow. But in the very beginning, they never thought of me when we see the haters be grinning within my show. I was was walking up a hill and cement boots, coughing up the real and grievance juice. Looking at suicide, stupidity, you decide. Thinking it wasn't the way, cause he went truce. Tech, I beat him down pound for pound. Winning them all over town by town. The clown was sound, was down but found. Now the Ninas were renowned and crowned. I was forbidden, yeah. Had a rough time getting there. But instead of wishing, a nigga was gritting, so now I'm spitting, yeah. Now they all wanna listen here. Not a whole lot of hissing there. They wanna hold a nigga back and I put the gut up on the truck. I'ma kill a one on a mission, yeah.
Falling, we ain't falling for the sneak. Hear a lot of talking, but they jogging for the reach. Never switch up on the low, never hate you in your face. Hate you in your face, never hate you in your face. They pump us up, they gon' pump us up. They pump us up.
Ladies and gentlemen, he has been drinking. For some reason, I don't think this is safe, but we're gonna rock it out anyways. Yeah, Kyle, burn it.
Now they ain't about to think you a rebel, you about to make them think your birds from flame.
That was actually really... Sorry, I'm broke. Fuck!
Then it's a bitch when you're sick like this. Putting all the face paint I can put on. Put my black jeans and black hood on. That's your TV, I just put on. With a faded habit, this brother swerves when I sip vodka. I'm the latest rabbit. In other words, I'm a hip hop.
Fucking spot. You ever looking for springs? My fool will help you out on that low. Actually, I don't know how expensive they are.
My shit is surprising and shocking like Barack votes. The trap's broke when I rap with Tunchi and Stacks. Though Mud said I'm gonna be the first rapper to cross over to black folks. Yeah, I'm breaking into colored houses.
Sounds way meaner. Yeah, I did. But not as loud.
There's back part of
Yeah. Yeah, that's dope.
Since 2001, my people dodge me like Durango. Now at my shows, I see more N-words than Django. From Missouri, Nelly, and Chang hang low. But Kansas City, somewhere over the rainbow. I'm in your house.
Oh, hell yeah.